got the GoPro working. Woo! Missed some good footage yesterday. Here's today. We had a really rolling night at Bulwa. Pretty bad, but you know. We're just passing Tangalooma. This is us. What are we doing? Can you? That doesn't look like it's coming out. We've got less than 10 knots of breeze because that's apparent. Pretty well close hauled. 5 knots of speed over ground. That's assisted by the tide coming in. But that's okay, given we've got less than 10 knots of breeze, so there we go. Pretty cold. By my standard anyway, it's cold. Should be a good day. So I think that says we got 2 knots of breeze, but I can't feel it. And clearly I've got no speed. So I'm just going to park it. I'm going to drop the main. Let's see how this goes. Oh, did I get that? Nice. Anyway, let's just get in there. Gonna set up for lunch. Okay. That's a glass out. We did have some waves coming from a big ship. Lunchtime. Oh, what's for lunch? Salad, steak. This dude, don't let it fool you. He's not sailing. He has a sail up, but there is no wind. It's been like this for about 3 hours now, and I've called it motoring in. Good times. Good morning. sailing, hey?
All stations, all stations, all stations.
There's the weather report.
414, Seaway Tower, Southport. Local time is 0806 hours.
And
here are the latest weather forecasts for Sunshine Coast,
there you go.
Norton Bay,
8 knots
and
of wind
Gold Coast,
ish.
issued by the Bureau of Meteorology Queensland.
4.5 knots over
0445 hours
ground.
Eastern Standard Time. And New South Wales Byron Coast, issued by Bureau of
Beautiful.
Meteorology New South Wales at
Bit chilly.
0410 hours Eastern Standard Time. Today being
Bit chilly.
27th of June.
Really nice. Oh,
Please be aware, wind and wave forecasts are averages. Wind gusts can be 40%
quality
stronger
cameramanship
than the forecast, and stronger
and
still in
exhibited.
squalls and thunderstorms. Maximum waves can be twice the forecast height.
let's see if I can. I'm missing the weather. Not to worry. Right, it's another day that we're becalmed. 11:15. He's going alright. He's got the iron sail up, pretending. I've got to hold my boom out because there's no wind to do it. But don't worry. It's lunchtime. Can of Coke, pie, sausage roll, coming. Then I'll put everything away and hopefully we'll get some wind this afternoon. There's a couple of sailboats in there. They've been in there for the past hour, just sitting like me. Doing too much. Yep. So there's no wind. Zero. Good things come to those who wait. It looks like I'm becalmed. We're moving. We're moving. I wonder how we're moving so well in no wind. It's still no wind. There's something blue in the background. Oh yeah, baby. This is what you come for. Look. I should say it again. It's magnificent. Look at it go. It is just glorious. There's a lot of blue. Anyway, terrible camera work, but looks to be a little bit more wind we're coming into there. Let's hope it's not a lot of wind. Let's just have a look at that. My heart's still pumping from bloody putting it up. Always nervous. Let's see how we're doing. Let's see if we can not run into this fisherman up here. I'd like to go a little bit left, but you know. Okay. Update. It's still gorgeous. Oh shit. Shit. Here's a look at where we've been. And let's just go up. There is still bugger all wind, but I'm on a broad reach. Pan to the left. Here we go. I don't know whether you can see that. 84 degrees, 85 degrees apparent. So that's as, I'll probably go a little bit higher, I don't know. Wind speed 6, apparent wind speed, yeah, but yeah, speed over ground 5 knots. All because of him. Don't drop the camera. Oh, coming around. Hang in there, autopilot. Hold me steady. Oh, I really just... Thank you, Aaron. Unbelievable. Hang on, all hands on deck here. Wind's picking up. 658. I'm at 80 degrees apparent, and I think autopilot's going to have a fit here if I start overpowering. Anyway, bye-bye. Wish me luck. I've just worked out I've got to take Big Blue down in about 15 minutes. It's been up for 10 minutes, but totes worth it. 6 knots speed in 7 knots of wind. The wind is apparent, but it's on the beam. Totally worth it. Half an hour maximum of it up, but it's made my day. How good is that? We're off to Coochie Mudlow Island. Never been there before. It's probably made of mud and cooch. That was not funny. Tried this with the phone. Don't know whether this is going to come out. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun up is 6:30. That's the Port of Brisbane. We are stonking along at 3.7 knots. Interestingly, that's faster than our apparent wind speed of 3.5 at an angle of 80 odd degrees. Thank you to Big Blue. Big Blue in the morning. What better way to wake up? That's a good reason to wake up early. And there's the sunrise coming. What a fantastic morning. Just good to be alive. I should remind myself of that. Okay, catch you later. That didn't even make sense. Catch up later. Check in later. Man, I'm good at this. Making progress.
Hello all stations, hello all stations, hello all stations. This is Victor Mike Radio.
check out the sunrise. Oh. And we are still, oh my gosh, let's check the numbers. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. Okay, so it's just after 8:30. Left Coochie Mudlow 5:30. We've come about 15 miles. Wind has sort of filled in just a little bit. Still quite light. We are hooking as much as we can. Ow! Dang toe. Using big bloke. Gorgeous day. Let's see how we're going. 5-ish knots. 6 knots of wind apparent. 120, anywhere, sort of variable winds, anywhere between 100 degrees to 140 degrees, and somewhere around 6 or 7 knots, I reckon. We'll head back, see if I can hit my toe again. And there you go. Latest update. Instead of filling in, the breeze is still very, very light. I have thrown blue on the other side because I was going to run into Bribey Island. So there's Bribey Island, and I want to go sort of that way, and I was going that way. So I'm going to go starboard. The plan would be, if the weather forecast is for this breeze to swing to southeast, which would mean that I would leave the Big Blue on the port side, and it would just carry me home. The problem is the weather forecast hasn't been accurate ever. So anyway, there we go. Speed over ground 3 knots. Apparent wind speed 7, so who knows, that's probably 8 knots, something like that. Not that it's hugely accurate. Speed through water is about 5, speed over ground 3, so I'm fighting about a 2-knot current, which, given I'm struggling to get home in daylight hours, probably isn't the best, but that might give me the opportunity to do a nighttime docking, so no one can see me. How bad it will be. Anyway, that's the update. Managed to get Big Blue down and around the other side and back up. All of it. Update! It is now getting towards the middle of the afternoon, and I have not come far. That is still Moreton. Haven't even got to the bottom of Bribey. That's over there. But what has happened is I was going to crash into Moreton, So I thought I'd jibe and put the Big Blue on the other side and head back up towards Bribie on a port tack, jibe, something. And halfway through getting it down, I had the beep, 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 beep of the B&G saying that there was a wind change, and oh my gosh, there's a wind change. It is now, as you can see, and probably hear because it's wind noise. We've got a good 10 knots. Little white horses dancing out there, so that's a 10 knots. And as you can see, I've got a little bit of wing on wing action happening. I also have a marker right in front of me, so let's just, oh yeah, there it is. We're good, we're good. So we're tracking all right. Let's just beep, beep, beep. Still got, so boat speed 5-6, speed over ground 3, so we're still fighting current, but that's going to stop any minute and away we'll go, hopefully. And this is nearly the course home, wing on wing. Well, let's see how long that will last. Opportune time for that beep to go, because had I set that spinnaker up, we would have been heading that way, because Big Blue cannot go downwind. 140 is it. Anything lower than 140, she is not happy, Jan. Anyway, there you go. It's going to be a late night tonight. First docking at night, but should be interesting. Okay, last update. Sun's going down. Be dark soon. Home after dark. Wind's picked up just a little bit. It's probably 13, 14 knots. Wing on wing is working a treat. We are pretty well going directly home. I'll just have to rely on my memory and how this docking goes, because it is going to be not good in the dark for the first time. I've got to be done. Rightio. I wish myself luck. Nice one. Behave yourself.